Hello everyone, this is Ariane Arsenault. Welcome to my soap making studio. Today I am going to test the custom craft tool slab mold, the Goliath. Now I've made a batch for one slab. I do have my two slabs here on top of each other, but I just wanted to show you the regular model of this mold that's available on the custom craft tool website. But today we will be making the soap using the clear version of the Goliath. So this mold is kind of an upgrade to the standard model. It is translucent, so you can see through. And hopefully it gives a better view of when we are pouring the soap, making soap, when I'm doing demonstration with people that walk in the shop in the summer, and also for you guys here on YouTube. The soap that we're going to be making today is the Island Bloom. It is a soap that we sprinkle with homegrown flowers from our garden. So we have calendula petals, cornflowers, and rose petals. These have been drying for a while and they are ready to be sprinkled. In my stock pot, I have some cocoa butter, coconut oil from Baraka shea butter. I have sunflower oil and olive oil. I'm gonna add my fragrance oil blend right now. It is a very well-behaving blend. It's a floral and fruity combination, and I know that I can safely add it to my oils right now. Here I have my colorants, and they are ultramarines and oxides. I have blue, lavender, and violet. As I am stirring this batch, I just realized that I forgot to mention that this oil and butter blend also contains organic, fair trade, and ethically produced palm oil by Palm the Right. I apologize, it just slipped my mind. It was not voluntary. It will make a great soap. Okay, all of our colors are combined. Now I will put them back in my pot to do an in the pot swirl, and we will pour in the Goliath. Now let's swirl the top and sprinkle some flowers. And now the best part about the whole process, well, the most interesting part is that the lid is also clear. So I'm gonna insulate this soap and I'm gonna be able to see it gel, like go through gel phase, but this is gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna be, usually you cover your soap and then you don't see it gelling and you're not supposed to look, or else you're gonna disturb, and the soap gremlins are gonna come and you're gonna have soda ash. We'll see about that. Anyway, stay tuned and then we will be back to unmold and cut this slab of soap. I am back to unmold the soap. However, it's still early in the morning and the soap is still very warm, so I'm gonna wait for it to cool down a little bit. The insulation was very good in the mold, as you can see. I'm gonna show you on the side of the screen, but you can see that there's even condensation from the moisture that was trying to evaporate from the soap. So my lid has a lot of steam on it, or moisture on it, and I can still feel that the soap is really warm. So we'll be back in just a little bit to unmold and cut. All right, so in order to get the silicone liner out of the slab, I'm going to remove the rods and flip it over. It is so cool to be able to see the soap through the liner. This is quite impressive. Ooh, yeah. Wow, nice. Before I go ahead and cut the slab into logs, I will go ahead and assemble back the Goliath in fast forward motion. I'll speed that up for you guys. And my liner has already been cleaned. I just literally washed it down with hot water with a soft rag and set it aside to dry, and we will put it back together right now. Voila, ready for the next batch of soap to be poured in the Goliath. That was pretty easy, actually. So, yay. Let's transfer the slab onto the caterpillar and see if these new remodeled feet are doing the job. do I really need to say anything else? Like, do I need to add anything? I think the Goliath did the job. All right. To cut these soaps, I'm going to be using my multi-wired soap cutter, and this one is by For Craft 6, just so that you don't go looking for it on the Custom Craft Tools website. It's not a model by them. They do have soap cutters, but they are single wires. So you can look that up if you don't need a multi-bar. I really like these because I can cut 12 soaps in one shot. These soap turned out so pretty. I'm really happy about the end result. Look at these, they're so beautiful. I love the contrast of the colors. Voila, the Island Bloom soaps are cut and they will be going in the curing area to dry and harden up for the next 4 to 6 weeks. However, handmade soaps made by the cold process method is ready to handle and to use after 48 hours. You just need to let them cure longer because they would be really mushy and slimy if you use them right away, but they would be safe to handle as no lye is present after the saponification is completed, which is usually around 24 to 48 hours. I still let them cure because I want my customers to have a great experience. I want their soap bar to last the longest time possible, which is why you'll have to wait to be able to purchase these soaps. All of the soaps in my online store have cured for a minimum of 4 weeks, but some of them we let them dry 8 weeks when they're Bastilles, 6 to 9 months when they are Castile soaps. So that's how we dry our soaps, and sometimes people are confused, so I just wanted to give a little bit more explanation, but basically that's what it is. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. You can leave us a thumbs up, you can subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber yet, I would love that. Thank you so much for watching, and all of the links of the items I've used will be in the description box down below. By the way, my drying trays are by soapequipment.com. I will also leave that down below for you guys. Thank you so much and take care. I will see you guys very soon.